I found this Halloween ceramic pumpkin kit at TJMaxx. I believe it was $10.99, and they gave me the paint, the brush, and there's 4 pumpkins. 2 have one similar face and 2 have the other. So I decided to go ahead and use the colors they gave me. And I got to say, these paints were not dried out, which I was a little bit surprised. It worked very well. This is the orange. And then I went in with the green. This green was kind of cool because it had a green tone, and then it almost seemed like yellow was coming out in different areas. Then the third pumpkin I did in the white. And then the last one I did in this burnt orange. I took the black and did the stem on this particular one in black, and the others I did in the brown. Then I took the yellow and took a very small art brush and filled in the cutout of the face, which was the mouth, the nose, and the eyes. You could do this in black, but I felt that the yellow was very forgiving since I'm trying to fit it inside this little cutout area. And you really didn't pick up on any of the overspill, which I think black would have really made that stand out. And I did this on all the pumpkins. Sometimes you'll see the ceramic figures at Hobby Lobby, and they're a lot of fun to paint. Once my paint dries, I took my salve by Wise Owl. This is in tobacco flower. If you like the smell of cigars, that's kind of the vibe that you get from tobacco flower. Once I covered my pumpkin with the salve, I didn't wipe it back, and I added the black in the creases of the pumpkin and did a little dry brushing, and then wiped the salve back using a towel. And I did this on every pumpkin. This is just going to give me some definition in those creases. It kind of forgives the paint that may have not been perfect. And I just think it brings your project another level. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitofancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils, chalkitofancy.com. Hope you guys give this a try. Have a great day.